Hello guys, welcome to my new video. First of all, subscribe my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. In this video, we are going to be trading binary option, expert option apps of investment of it is approximately $3,000. So let's see the market. I'm playing with a big margin. Oh wow. Yes. Market should want to go in downside. It's such a good market, as you can see. Ooh, let's see the market. Oh yes. Oh yes. Market should want to go in downside. Wow. Wow. It's not a bad. It's a good market. Oh, market should want to go in downside. Let's see the market. Uh, Market should want to go in buy side. Oh yes. Mashallah. Oh, such a good market should want to go in downside. Oh yes. Inshallah, we won all these trades. Ooh. Market should want to go in downside. Mashallah. Let's see the market. Oh, oh yes, it's good. Inshallah, we won all the streets. So let's see the other markets. Market should want to go in downside. Market should want to go in buy side. Okay. So let's see the market. It's such a good market. Such a good. Oh yes. Oh wow. It's good. 12.8. So let's see. So guys, you wanna subscribe my channel, like my video, comment on my videos. Allah Hafiz.